Hi. Now the next sound in the consonants is the ch and the j. Now what you do here is you put your tongue at the top of your front teeth, or it can be a bit back. It's not so crucial here, but it needs to be at the top of your mouth. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pull back your tongue and make a sound. So it sounds like this. Ch, ch. So what you're going to do is, if you remember with the other sounds, that the tongue, here's the teeth here, and the tongue is up here at the top of your teeth, and you're going to pull it back. Pull it back here and make a sound. Okay? So that's ch. And ch is with air here, and then there's j, which is back here. So you've got church, air, judge, which is back here. Try that and see how you go. And I can give you lots of other practice sessions in a future video.